Guys, so let's start. Just closing my room. So let's go, guys, and explore. So guys, yesterday off the Route 3 I could cover only 7 to 8 places as it was getting dark, and Route 3 में सबसे ज़्यादा places है, तो इसलिए मैं जल्दी निकला हूँ आज. चलिए 3 places हो गए हमारे. एंड यहाँ पे एक जगह थी, या नोबलमैन्स क्वार्टर्स बोल रहा है कि नोबलमैन क्वार्टर्स यहाँ पे है, तो लेट्स गो एंड हैव अ लुक. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्लेस ऑफ द डे. ओह, आई थिंक दे आर रेफरिंग टू दिस प्लेसेस, नोबलमैन क्वार्टर्स. It's good they have given this high point view so that you can see everything at one glance. Okay, so these were where noblemen used to stay, and that up ahead is the Matunga Hill where I went first thing in the morning yesterday, and all the banana plantations separate us from that side. Moving off to next place. So here is the details for the royal enclosure. So guys, अभी हम जा रहे हैं ऑक्टागोनल बाथ और सरस्वती टेम्पल. सरस्वती टेम्पल. Oh, it is locked. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं ऑक्टागोनल बाथ देखने. ऑक्टागोनल बाथ यहाँ पे है. That temple up ahead is Chandrasekhar temple. यहीं पे ये तीन That looks like an alligator mouth. So guys, I'm done with this Chandrashila temple and I'm moving towards Queen's Bath. So Queen's Bath and Lotus Mahal are to the right side. यार इन्होंने ये बंद करके रखा है यार, शिट। जा तो सकते हैं जंप करके, बट इट्स नॉट गुड। That Pattaya Ellamma temple, I think it's closed right now. I don't know why. So that's the board of the Pattana Yellamma temple, which is this one, but it is closed for some reason, I don't know. What we'll do, we'll push off to next destination. यहाँ से नहीं है, रोड तो है ना, यहाँ से है रोड। हाँ, ये देख लेता हूँ तब तक। ये है रंगा टेम्पल, तो मतलब यहाँ तो इसका एंट्रेंस यही था। लेट्स सी व्हाट द बोर्ड टॉक्स अबाउट रंगा टेम्पल, माधवा रंगा टेम्पल। This monolithic Hanuman statue, wow. Oh shit. Classic. So guys, moving off to next place now. So we have here Elephant Stable Jain Temple. उधर से रास्ता था, बट यार वो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वाले ने एंट्री नहीं दिया. He was telling that entrance is from here. So let's go and check it out. So here we have Elephant Stable and Lotus Mahal and Jain Temple. There was some 40 rupees entry ticket for this, which is applicable to the Vitala temple which we are going today and archaeological museum. So this is the Janana enclosure. Here we are at the basement of Queen's Palace. If this was the basement, इसके ऊपर फिर रहेगा structure. So this is the watchtower. Watchtower Janana. This was the tank where water used to be kept. because it is designed like that. So we have the Lotus Mahal up ahead. So this is the Lotus Mahal. So guys, these are the elephant stables up ahead. So this is where they used to keep the elephants of the state, and all of them are interconnected. You actually require this much space to keep an elephant. So this is that staircase they were talking about. Locked. I'm just wondering कि उस टाइम पे साला ड्राइंग भी नहीं होते थे. Then how they have done this beautifully structures without any help of drawing or some instrument, and they have done it this to perfection. Really, our hats off to those people. This kind of art you don't get to see today. अलग डिज़ाइन के हैं, एक भी सिमिलरिटी नहीं है. I'm just finding the board. Let's move ahead. This looks some kind of entrance to the city. Has to be some kind of entrance to the city because जितना gap है, it's perfect for people and elephants and all to come in. Okay guys, so I'm done seeing all these places here, and more 2-3 places are left, then route 3 will be completed, and then I can go to route 2 and route 4. It was a good 1 kilometer walk from the parking, for total 2 kilometers. Amazingly, yesterday when I checked my fitness watch, I had done over 20,000 steps, and today I think I'll break that record of 20,000. So that's the max I have walked in a day till now, and today is a good opportunity for me to break my own record. 27th is Tenali Rama Pavilion. So So guys, I'm on my way to Tenali Rama Pavilion. Just ask the people at the counter. शायद यही लग रहा है ये सामने वाला, because all around I cannot see any pavilion type. यही रहने वाला है. Where is the board? Where is the board? I think the board is not here, but Google Maps has helped me, and I have found the Tenali Rama's Pavilion. It's closed, guys. So this is what I think so where Tenali Rama used to stay. So guys, whatever they have found during excavation work, so they have kept it here. The Nandi, various types of Nandis and found in different Kannada inscription during the Vijayanagara period. Okay guys, so I've spent quite a lot of time in this archaeological museum and I'll be moving to a new place right now. Guys, so there are still 6 places left in this route 2. और फिर वो होने के बाद I'll be back to my hotel. थोड़ा ब्रेकफास्ट करके, आई नो इट्स लेट, पर थोड़ा खा के फिर मैं I'll go to route 2. So I'm at Pan Supari Bazaar for some kind of well. Wow, it's a good amount of depth. I think that's from where the water was falling into this. I think that Pan Supari Bazaar was just a place. It was not like a building or anything like that. Maybe the area name was Pan Supari Bazaar. So guys, I'm done here. और अभी on the way ग्रैनरी करके है, but मैंने उसका बोर्ड नहीं देखा था. So if I don't find the board, I'll skip it. And then we have some few places left on the main road. So we'll cover that. तो ग्रैनरी यहाँ कहाँ located है, but I've not seen the board. So guys, we have skipped granary because we could not able to find it. This is what it is, the octagonal war pavilion, and I think this has been closed. All the sides have been closed. Oh, here is the entrance, but it's under renovation. Hello guys, let's move on to the next place. So our next place is 41, which is Bhojana Sala. It's just ahead, few 100 meters ahead. As I am unable to find that location, Bhojana Sala, I think the board is not there, so we are going to skip that and move to next destination. When you are in south, you have to eat south only. So our next destination is Archaeological Museum. There is one more archaeological museum just up ahead, so we are going there right now. Archaeological Museum, Hampi, Kamlapur. Guys, this is the scale model of excavated remains at Hampi. Okay guys, I'm done visiting this archaeological museum and there are two more places up ahead, so let's visit them. Guys, when you are in Hampi, do visit this museum. It offers great explanations to whatever there is in Hampi. So if you have any doubts seeing there, you have to come there to get an explanation of the things. Don't forget this archaeological museum which is in Kamlapur. चलिए बाइक कितनी गर्म हो गई है, शिट. So here it is guys, Patta Bhimarama temple. This is mega temple. बहुत ही बड़ा है यार ये तो. This is probably the biggest after Virupaksha that I've seen. This temple. तो दोस्तों, at the back you can see it is a doomed gateway of the kingdom of Vijayanagar in the Hampi city. तो यहाँ पे बाकी कुछ है नहीं, सिर्फ गेट है. तो यहाँ से लोग आया जाया करते थे and आसपास there is nothing. ये गेट को significance है because this was the main gate in the city. And all the people, all the crucial people, they used to come in and go out. So that's the significance. This is little bit off location, तो आपको थोड़ा off-roading करना पड़ता है. It's not on the main road. It is little bit inside, and but you have a board mentioning that this is the Doom Gateway at Hampi. So guys, good afternoon and have a great day. Bye. Looks like here there was an arch which has now weathered down. These beautiful carvings on the rock before it was placed here. The Ganesha and the elephant. तो दोस्तों, अभी मैं भीमास गेटवे पे आया हूँ एंड वो आगे कहाँ पे है, तो लेट्स गो. मेरी GoPro की मेमोरी फुल हो गई, इसलिए आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग विथ माई OnePlus 6. दिस लुक्स लाइक सिमिलर टू डूम्स getaway. So we are at Bhima's getaway right now, and this gate looks similarly to doomed getaway. That's it guys, there is nothing much to see other than the gate itself. At least this gate is having the top arc, but that doomed getaway उसको आर्क था नहीं, गिर गया था. तो गाइज अभी मैं हूँ गनागित्ती जैन टेम्पल, जो कि भीमास गेट के पहले आता है एट द कॉर्नर, और ये है वो मंदिर. तो अभी हम अंदर जाते हैं एंड विल हैव अ लुक. अगेन द सेम काइंड ऑफ स्टेप वेल. Huge pillar. ये पिलर पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है कन्नड़ में. करीबन एक 2 मीटर की राइटिंग है एंड यहाँ पे पिलर्स है. ऊपर का टेंपल में, जो कि यहाँ से 1.5 किलोमीटर पे है, एंड उसके बाद रूट 3 विल गेट completed. So guys, we have reached the Malyavanta temple right now, and I'm just walking inside. Some kind of function is going on. So let's see the details of this temple. Malyavanta Raghunatha temple. This is the pillared hall, guys. That's what they call. This is full of pillars and some beautifully done designs of gods and goddesses on all the 4 sides of the pillar. I'm just walking down to the high point where you can see the complete valley. That was written on the board where the temple details are there. Mind blowing. You can see the entire valley from this point. From here, that's the back side. I'll just rotate the camera, stretching till your eyes can see. And I just loved this small temple built atop this boulder. My goodness, कैसे यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि शिवलिंग है और ये नंदी बैल का कार्विंग किया हुआ है ये रॉक्स के ऊपर. और यहाँ बहुत सारे शिवलिंग्स है, उस साइड पे भी है. और ये पुराना शिवजी का मंदिर है यहाँ पे, जो कि आपको दिख रहा है वाइट कलर में. दोस्तों तो ये देखो दीवार पे कार्विंग्स की हुई है, फिश, स्नेक, elephants. I think that is alligator or something. पूरे दीवार पे किया हुआ है ये. तो गाइज अभी ये टेंपल हो गया एंड वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स रूट 1. 2-3 पॉइंट्स पेंडिंग थे कल के, तो मोहम्मदन टॉम हमारा अभी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, तो अभी मैं वहाँ पे निकल रहा हूँ. चलो बाय. सो गाइज द टाइम इज़ अराउंड 2:15 PM एंड वी हैव रीच्ड मोहम्मदन टॉम एंड दरगाह. एंड दैट इज़ द टॉम. And at the back side is the dargah. We'll just have a look at the description. Guys, I'll just show you inside. I think they have renovated inside. Okay guys, I'm done here. Moving on to Murugan temple, which is just up ahead. These places are endless. ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहे. तो दोस्तों ये है मुरुगन टेम्पल. श्री मुरुगन टेम्पल. And this is locked right now, so I'm just showing you from outside. ताला लगा है. ओके गाइस, एक लास्ट पॉइंट बचा है जो कि आगे है, मेरे को लिस्ट में चेक करना है. So done with this Murugan temple. Nice architecture and बहुत ही कलरफुल लग रहा है. नंबर का पॉइंट बचा है और ये 15th नंबर है, अक्का तंगी गुंडू. ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद मेरा रूट 1, रूट 3 विल ऑल बी कंप्लीटेड. And then I'll be taking route 2 and tomorrow route 5. तो route 2 ये वाला जो स्क्वायर्स है, ये वाला स्क्वायर है, तो numbers from 60s and all. So this is route number 2, this route number 1 and this is route number 3. So these two complete कर दिया मैंने, सिर्फ ये 15th नंबर बचा है. And then I'll be moving towards route 2 after some break. तो चलो गाइस, एक ही पॉइंट बचा है, लेट्स मूव ऑन. गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस, ये अक्का तंगी गुंडू मिल नहीं रहा है, तो आई हैव स्टॉप लुकिंग फॉर इट एंड ऑल्सो गूगल मैप्स में नहीं मिल रहा है, तो लीव इट गाइस. सो आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग रूट 2 नाउ आफ्टर सम हाइड्रेशन ब्रेक और कुछ खा लेता हूँ, बिकॉज रूट 2 और रूट 4 पेंडिंग है एंड आई हैव ओनली टिल टुमारो एंड आई हैव टू ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोर द हिप्पी साइड ऑफ द हम्पी. तो आई हैव टू कवर इट फास्ट नाउ. तो क्विक ब्रेक लेके मैं वापस चालू करने वाला हूँ एंड सी यू, बाय. सो गाइस, लेट्स स्टार्ट टू एक्सप्लोर रूट 2. So guys, we have reached Kampa Bhupa Marga. This is one of the place listed on the maps, but I think this is just a route, so not any specific place, so we can just tick off that from the list. So Vithala temple, it is showing 1.75 kilometers. So no option but you have to walk down there. That's Tungabhadra river up ahead. We'll have some activities tomorrow but not for today. Today we have to finish off some places before we can do water activities. कितना? 10. कौन सा टेम्पल है मालूम नहीं, बट विल फाइंड आउट लेटर. इट्स फकिंग हॉट यार. तो अभी हम पुष्करानी के यहाँ पे, आई थिंक ये वाला पुष्करानी है. दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स लाइक अ बिग well. You can see that water inlets to this pond, but need to find out why this is called Pushkarani. So let's move on to next place. वो ऊपर मातांगा हिल है, first day. Guys, I think this is Courtesan Street as per the map it says, but the board is not there, but I'm guessing with the map that this is that Courtesan Street, and that up ahead is Achitraya's temple. देख के तो लग ही रहा है कि ये टेम्पल रहेगा. बाकी ये these and the left and right ones are the streets. As guessed correctly, this is Achit Raya temple. Let's go have a look inside. The temple of the king, Achitraya temple. ना बड़ा टेम्पल है यार ये. तो ये टेम्पल ख़त्म हो गया. अभी मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. कम टू दिस वराहा टेम्पल. सो दिस इज दैट वराहा टेम्पल. अगेन इस टेम्पल को नाम नहीं है, मतलब बोर्ड नहीं है. डोंट नो व्हिच टेम्पल इज दिस. तो So inscribed Vishnu temple आगे है, King's Balance towards left, and Vithala temple towards right. So first we'll go to, let's see, King's Balance. पहले उधर जाते हैं. Instead we have come to this inscribed Vishnu temple. तो इसको पहले ख़त्म कर लेते हैं, उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा पहले. So we are inside the inscribed Vishnu temple. Finding some places en route to is little bit problematic. It's this Vithala temple. I think उसका entrance उस side से है. This is the Vithala temple. So finally we have reached the destination, the Vithala temple, which was the source of my tour sticker. So that is that structure which is in my logo. Guys, this is a big premise. As you can see, it's spread across a huge area. I'm just roaming around the premises, guys. उसके बाद मैं अंदर जाने वाला हूँ. I think work is going on. Guys, there is too much crowd over here. Not able to take photos right now. So maybe I'll come back within half an hour. तो guys, अभी हम जा रहे हैं देखने कुडूरे गोमटे मंडपा Vithala Bazar, which is I think this on the left and right, and Gejjala Mantapa. So I think Vithala Bazar is this one, the one you can see on the left and the right side, and the other two are up ahead. Kudure गोमटे मंडपा इज़ फिनिश्ड. तो हम ये गेज्जला मंडप पे आ गए हैं दोस्तों, और टाइम हो गया है अराउंड 5:30. सो नथिंग न्यू, सेम स्ट्रक्चर, आर्किटेक्चर. All the pillars carved out, God goddesses के. ये एक ही ऐसा है कि बहुत दूर है बाकी सब मेन साइट से. चलो, तो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो डन. इसको कहते हैं अलविदा. तो गाइस, अभी मैं जस्ट ये रिवर साइड एरिया में पहुंचा हूँ एंड सनसेट भी हो चुका है. The view is just awesome. You can hear the river flowing by. This is some kind of temple here situated on the banks, and just look at the view. बस बैठे रहने का मन करता है इधर एंड लिसन द साउंड ऑफ द रिवर. Pure nirvana. Bliss. To the Hanuman temple top. Nagar in the Hampi city. Back to my homestay. तो यहाँ पे बाकी कुछ है नहीं, सिर्फ गेट है. तो यहाँ से लोग 50 meters tall statue.